All right, so this one is called firstDuplicate, and I've already read through the instructions of how to solve it or what we should be looking for. Um, the only problem is that these instructions were really hard to understand, at least for me. So I kind of just jumped straight to the example, which was much better and easier for me. Essentially, what we're trying to do is look through an array that we're given and find which numbers in those arrays are duplicates, and then return the first duplicate. So kind of confusing, but this example helped a lot. And essentially, it's just we have these numbers, so we would go through, somehow maintain a memory of these numbers, and then whenever we hit a duplicate number, like if you were to go 21353, obviously this would be our first duplicate in this array. So this is what we should return, which is what they do here. So that kind of helped me see what we're looking for, and I'm going to try and code this live, so it may be a little bit rocky, but I think that it's the best way to learn sometimes and can be helpful if you're trying to get a solution for yourself. So let's just start coding. I already have, as you can see, like some resources that I've been looking at, maybe using. I'm going to do this in Kotlin. Obviously, I know from CodeSignal you can do these practice things in multiple different languages, but I'm using Kotlin because that's what I do mostly for Android work. So let's see. The first thing I want to do, I thought was to make another array where we can store what we've already gone through. So I'm going to say memory array, and it's just going to be equal to an array, list of, and I think, wait, hold on. Let's just, maybe we can just make it an instance of, yeah, we'll just copy that. Okay, that's fine. So, and then what we're going to do in my mind is just loop through each of these items and essentially do some work in here to figure out what we already have stored in our memory array and if the next item that we're on is in that array. And I think one thing we're going to need here is to get the index of these items, but I think we can get it here. So let's see, add the item. Well, first we should probably check if the item is in our memory array. If so, return that index. And then if not, add it to the memory array. So obviously what we'll do is memory array add, and then we'll just do it, which is referencing the current item in our for each loop. Must be initialized. Let's just see. Let me do that. Array. Let's see. Mutable list of. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so if memory array dot contains it, then at this point we can honestly, the first time that this is true should be the first duplicate that we have. So we could probably just return let's see, memory array contains, yeah, so return in a dot index of crap. Yeah, I thought this is gonna fail, I think. Bu- 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 Yeah, let me see. I think there's a way that we can get the index. Kotlin get index in for loop. Yep. For each index. That is so straightforward. So I'm just gonna take this here, come back here, and then just do this. And just add that here. So we're just returning this. Let's see, element. Yep. For each indexed. Okay, I was like, what is that? Why is this breaking? And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to do var index to return. And I'm just going to just set it to nothing right now. It's going to be it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is index to return equal to index. It should be fine. I don't know why that's acting like that. And then add this element. And then I think we also want a break in here. Oops. I think so. I don't know. Index to return. This is kind of slow to, like, it's definitely used. It's slow to kind of figure out that, like, I'm using this stuff. So I wish it would be faster. This might fail, so I'm just gonna run and see. Might fail. Crap. Are only allowed inside a loop and continue. Let me try something else. Let's just try to return the index. And I feel like this should still work. Let's see. I don't know. This is coding live, kind of pressure sensitive, but we'll see. Pass through compilation, prevent return expression is required in a function with the body block. What am I? See, the problem is that I don't want it to keep going through this when we find the first time this happens. So there's a way to break out of this. I'm pretty sure it's just return, but let me see. Maybe I can do this. I don't know if that will work in Kotlin. Ooh, yeah. That. Oh, wow. Wait. Let's just see. Because it looked like it broke and then it fixed. Oh, broke again. It's matching for type as unit, but okay, that's fine. Let me see how I can return from a Kotlin for each loop. Returns and jumps. Okay. Loop at 4. This looks scary, so let's see. Loop at, is that how they do it? loop at 4, and then break at loop. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Returns at labels. Returns non-local directory. This is kind of scary. But I feel like, you know, it should be does not denote a loop. Huh? And obviously we'll still need to index to return. This doesn't seem to be working for me. Label is redundant because it cannot be referred in either break or continue. I don't know why this is doing this. Perks of live coding. This is literally how it works though. So, let's see. Let me just try this instead. Turn for each. Let's try that. It's a little bit laggy, so it's hard to know if this is actually broken or actually this should probably for each indexed. I mean, I guess so. It must be initialized, that's fine. Let's just do 0. Oh, that's embarrassing. Let's see. See what we got. Expected output. The output. So the output was 5, expected to get 3. Why did it give us 5? Let's see. Actually, let me do something here. I'm just gonna do a print, and then I'm going to, I don't know if they have a console in here, but let me just print memory array. Kind of want to see what's in it. Let's see. Don't even know if they have like a console over here. I wish they do. Let's see. Solutions, drafts, resources. No. Nope. Console output. Oh, that might be it. Let's see. Let's see if I comment this out, if we still get a console output. That is interesting. Okay. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, and then it goes through and it says memory array contains 5. Index to return is now at, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. I'm dumb. We don't want to return the index, we want to return the number. Okay, so element, let me just see if this is what we are looking for, maybe. Okay, 5 of them passed. This is better than before. Output 2, expected output 3. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Let me see. So print statement here. This is how I code, just do print statements everywhere. Let me just print the element. Let me say supposed correct value, and then I think we can just do, you know what, no, let's just do concatenation, because I don't feel like thinking about that. Okay, so now let's try this, see what we get. Suppose the correct value is 2. Memory array contains 2. Element is 2. 2, 1, 3, and then 5, 3. What? Oh, something weird is happening. It's weird, right? Like it's getting the right one, and then what is that all about? Oh, okay. I think let me just try something here. This is probably not it, but let's see. Oops. Okay, now let's try and see. I don't know. Nope, same thing. Oh my gosh. So obviously, clearly, I would fail. I wonder why it's going through again. If memory array contains element. Oh man. Let's see. Let me do a new line here because and just so I can see this clearly. Now let me also do another thing here. Let's do index is just so I can really see some more details. I hope this is helpful to somebody because this is the reality of coding live. Oh man, what happened? Oh, probably don't need that. Yeah. See, I should just use interpolation, but I don't remember how to do that because it's not Android Studio. So let's see. Okay, suppose it value is 3, index is 4. I don't know, it's just like break. The label for each index does not denote a loop. It's weird because it's like we want to return. Let's see, return expression returns from the nearest closing function. Non-local functions are supported. It's super interesting why it's doing this, like it's going through again. It's just like it's going through the whole array as opposed to stopping at the one that we find. It's doing the right thing, it's just not stopping at the right value. It's not breaking out of here. Return. Maybe we can just do return. I don't know. Dang. Let me just see. And now at this point, I'm just trying anything. What happened? 7. We got some more passed. So that one passed this time. I'm getting closer. Let's see the ones that didn't pass. Expected output -1. Output 0. Oh, I guess we could probably just do like -1 then. Maybe this will help. I don't know. Yeah, cool. So, wow. This is complicated. Obviously, this is actually one of the easy challenges, which makes me really sad, but I'm happy that I got through it. It's just there's probably an easier way to do this. I ended up not even really needing the index. So let me see if I clean all these up, all these comments and stuff. I probably could have just did, actually this might not have worked. Let me see. Return element. Let me try and comment this out. Nope, nope. Yeah, no. So yeah, I didn't even really need this, so I could have just did for each, and then just have this here. Yeah, I mean, it works. Let's just run it and make sure that these changes don't break anything. Yeah, okay. I mean, like it's a solution. I don't think it's probably the cleanest solution, but everything's working, so not too upset. Obviously, the way Kotlin works with returning from loops is a little bit confusing. I don't know why returning from the for each loop index didn't work. If anybody knows, let me know. I probably should do some research on that, but hopefully this is helpful to somebody. Obviously, coding live is challenging. There's pressure, but hopefully it helped anyone who's trying to prepare for interviews or just practice coding in general. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you have some questions about how the solution came about.